Join me as I dive into the ancient world to see if giant millipedes really ruled the land, and I'll be testing out some crazy facts along the way. In a world where dinosaurs roamed free, it's easy to overlook some of the other fascinating creatures that shared the earth with them. But today, I want to shine a light on a rather unexpected contender for the title of ancient ruler, the giant millipede. Imagine it. A giant, many-legged beast crawling across the forest floor, leaving all other creatures in its wake. Sounds like the stuff of sci-fi nightmares, right? But did these gargantuan arthropods really rule the ancient world? Understanding the ecological impact of giant millipedes in the ancient world is no easy feat. The fossil record only gives us a glimpse into their existence, and it's hard to separate fact from fiction. However, by studying their modern-day descendants, we can start to piece together what might have made them so successful back in the day. One major hurdle in understanding giant millipedes is that they left behind very few fossilized remains. Unlike dinosaurs, which left us a wealth of bones and skeletons, millipedes are made mostly of soft tissue, which doesn't preserve well over time. That means we have to rely on indirect evidence, like burrows and tracks, to build a picture of these ancient creatures. But even with these limitations, scientists have been able to make some educated guesses about what made giant millipedes thrive. For one, they were likely detritivores, meaning they fed on decaying plant and animal matter. This would have put them at the heart of the ecosystem, playing a crucial role in breaking down organic matter and recycling nutrients. So what would the world have looked like with giant millipedes roaming free? For starters, it would have been a lot more humid. These creatures needed a constant supply of moisture to survive, which means they would have thrived in damp, tropical environments. They would have also had a huge impact on the soil, burrowing deep tunnels and aerating the earth as they went. Giant millipedes were likely adapted to a wide range of habitats, from dense forests to open grasslands. They would have been able to move quickly and easily, thanks to their many legs, and would have been well equipped to deal with predators. In fact, some scientists believe that giant millipedes may have even been apex predators themselves, using their venomous fangs to take down unsuspecting insects and small animals. But what about their interactions with other prehistoric creatures? It's hard to say for sure, but it's likely that giant millipedes played a key role in shaping the evolution of other animals. They would have been an important food source for larger predators, and their burrowing activities would have created habitat for countless other creatures. One of the most fascinating things about giant millipedes is their surprising similarity to modern-day species. Despite being separated by hundreds of millions of years, these ancient creatures share many characteristics with their modern cousins. They had similar body shapes, similar eyes, and even similar behaviors. It's a testament to the enduring power of evolution, and a reminder that even the most ancient creatures can still teach us a thing or two. So what led to the downfall of these ancient rulers? One surprising theory is that it was actually the rise of modern plants that spelled their doom. You see, as plants evolved to produce more complex and toxic chemicals, they may have made it harder for giant millipedes to survive. It's a twist on the usual narrative, where we assume that giant creatures went extinct because of asteroids or climate change. Instead, it may have been something as simple as the evolution of grass that sealed their fate. Today, we're left with a fascinating glimpse into a prehistoric world that's both familiar and strange. Giant millipedes may not have been as flashy as dinosaurs, but they played a vital role in shaping the course of evolution. And who knows? Maybe their legacy lives on in the modern millipedes that scurry across our floors today. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the ancient world of giant millipedes. What did you find most interesting about these mysterious creatures? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to check out our next video on the incredible prehistoric world of ancient insects.